Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for photographers. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of client churn for photographers. People are looking for better solutions when they can't find the right answer in a timely manner. With a streamlined scheduling tool, you can focus on the important tasks at hand and help your clients. Just a single scheduling link and keep the photo shoots rolling. Set up and manage all clients from one place. Increase client satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Book more photo shoots with streamlined scheduling. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation, sign-up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.